You're not lazy, you're not undisciplined, and the reason you can't lose belly fat has nothing to do with eating less. In fact, the more you try, the worse it can get. Most people think fat loss is simple: eat less, move more. But if that worked, you wouldn't be stuck. The truth is, your body is not a calculator. It's a survival machine. And when you diet too hard, your body adapts. It slows down your metabolism and holds on to fat even more. Your metabolism is how your body uses energy. When it's working properly, your body burns calories efficiently. But when it slows down, everything changes. You feel tired, you feel hungry all the time, and fat loss becomes almost impossible. Especially after 30, this gets worse. Now here's the part nobody tells you. Fat loss is controlled by hormones. Two of the most important ones are insulin and cortisol. Insulin controls whether your body stores fat or burns it. If your insulin levels stay high, your body's in fat storage mode. That means no matter how little you eat, you won't burn fat efficiently. Cortisol, stress. Cortisol is your stress hormone. When it's high, your body thinks you're in danger. So what does it do? It stores fat, especially in your belly. This is why stress is directly linked to belly fat. Most diets only focus on calories, but they ignore hormones. So what happens? You eat less, your body slows down, your hormones go out of balance, and fat loss stops. That's why you feel stuck. Instead of just eating less, you need to fix your body. Focus on stabilizing insulin, reducing stress, supporting metabolism. When your body works with you, fat loss becomes natural. If you want real fat loss, not fake diet advice, subscribe to this channel, because here we fix the root cause.